So this is basically a patient with appendicitis with increased neutrophils, right? As you can see, multiple, multinucleated cell. Okay, so they've been asking the function of these cells. Okay, so before we do that, let's look at the different cells. Okay, right. So here are the platelets, small blue tiny things here, right? Eosinophils. Eosinophils, you'll see that the cytoplasm has dark pink granules. Dark pink color is basically eosinophilic color, right? So that's why they're called eosinophils, because they have these pink colored granules inside. Basophil is, bluish in color, completely. It has bluish granules, and they're so dark that you can barely see the nuclei. Okay. See now, lymphocytes and monocyte. Okay, monocyte, you can see a large nuclei. You can see two nuclei here, a bilobe nuclei here. Yeah, and yeah, you have your neutrophils. Okay, so neutrophils kind of stand out in comparison to other blood cells. Right. 1 second. So functions of neutrophils. Functions of different cells there. So some of you guys were confused, if I remember, between neutrophils and phagocytosis and allergic reaction to confusion. So the neutrophils are the main cells involved in phagocytosis. Okay, macrophages are also involved in phagocytosis, but their main function is antigen presentation. Okay, and let's look at the other functions of macrophages as well. Okay, so macrophages, besides being the major antigen presenting cells, they also are also responsible for bone resorption, right? Wound healing, and phagocytosis से बात कर लिया. Basophils are the ones that take part in allergic reactions, right? Eosinophils are the ones that take part in infections with parasitic parasites, right? And you have lymphocytes. Lymphocytes levels increase in response to viruses, right? Viral infections, and they also play a major role in transplant rejection.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.